While President Robert Mugabe is advocating for a post in the Security Council of the United Nations and threatening to pull out if his desires are not met, United States of America, through Ambassador K. Thomas, are planning big for Zimbabwe, saying even if President Robert Mugabe pulls out of the United Nations, they will continue to look for needy areas in Zimbabwe and continue to help Zimbabwean people. He said this while unveiling a project which cost $5.9 million in Zimbabwe.
Has been a consultative process, and the provinces prioritized and selected for these sites were based on need. PEPFAR, through the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, funded the porta cabins with the provision of in-country technical and administrative support. Each porta cabin cost approximately $35,000 for full installation and furnishing, with the overall project cost of $5.9 million.
You are watching ZimdiTv.
Lessons learned from these preliminary efforts will help guide the rollout of a national program. It is now well known that providing treatment to all people living with HIV and ensuring that they are successful in suppressing the virus results in the prevention of HIV transmission. The MOHCC has prioritized treatment and made significant progress in ensuring that treatment services are available at the lowest levels of care. The PEPFAR-supported Porta Cabin project aligns with the ministry's efforts at decentralization and will contribute to the global goal of epidemic control by 2030.
You are watching ZimdiTv.
People of Zimbabwe and the United States government in addressing health infrastructure needs. I commend the Ministry of Health and Child Care for continuing to decentralize HIV services and ensuring that these services are accessible to the entire population. The additional space created by these porta cabins will become even more important as Zimbabwe transitions to the treat all approach, providing antiretroviral treatment to all HIV positive individuals. I am pleased to note that some PEPFAR partners are already implementing the Treat All initiative.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel, ZimdiTv News, and be the first to receive breaking news and stories making headlines. And also subscribe to our website, ZimdiTvNews.com, and never miss a story.